let's be honest, if you're going to have any success on YouTube, there's going to be days where you're like, what the heck am I doing? I'm wasting all my time. You got to get through that, right? And I found the YouTube community to be just so supportive and really incredible as a whole. I just want to know from your perspective, how powerful has the larger community been in your journey? And side note, have you also had an inner circle, which has been instrumental in your YouTube journey?
Absolutely. So on both sides, you know, the community side of YouTube is actually part of what got me hooked on YouTube in the first place. So when I started my YouTube channel, I was just uploading random videos, and my channel was doing like okay, but not really. Like, it took me about 5 months to get my first 150 subscribers on my channel. And then I had the opportunity to work on another channel. And while working on that channel with somebody that was experienced, we, you know, got that channel, was getting momentum. And that was my first taste of the community side. Yeah. And I was like, wow, this is great. So you're telling me that I can upload a video now that I've got this community started, right? Like, I can upload a video now and I've got like all these people coming in and interacting with comments. People are hitting me up on Facebook, Twitter. I've got all these people that like I suddenly have access to now. So like the community side of YouTube is absolutely fantastic. And that for me, and I think it's this way for a lot of creators as well, you know, that's just one of the things that kind of hooks you as a YouTube content creator, really with anything, you know, when you start getting that feedback from people and you start getting that, you know, validation is probably a better way to put it, but you start getting that validation, you know, from others. And then you're like, hey, you know, these people are digging what it is that I'm doing. These people are thinking like me. They're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. You know, I'm able to have conversations with them in the comments and sometimes take it onto other platforms. And in some cases, hang out with people in person and make like awesome friends that I was able to create or be able to connect with from the YouTube channel. So yeah, the community side is extremely powerful on YouTube.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.